In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put text in the middle of a page in Google Docs. Centering text perfectly on the page is really helpful when you're creating things like title pages, cover sheets, certificates, or anything that needs a clean, professional look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to place your text right in the visual middle of the page, both horizontally and vertically, using built-in tools in Google Docs. First, open your document in Google Docs or create a new blank document. Click once anywhere on the page where you want to start, just to make sure your cursor is active in the document. Now, type the text that you want to appear in the middle of the page. This could be a title, your name, a course name, or anything else you need. Next, we'll make sure the text is centered from left to right. With your cursor on that line of text, go to the toolbar at the top and find the alignment options. Click the icon that shows centered alignment. Once you click it, your text will move to the center horizontally, so it's no longer aligned to the left margin. Now let's work on centering the text vertically, so it appears in the middle of the page from top to bottom. Go to the top menu bar and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, choose Align and Indent, and then look for the option called Center on Page. When you hover over that, you'll see two choices, one for vertically and one for horizontally. Select the option that centers the text vertically on the page. As soon as you do this, Google Docs will automatically move your selected text to the visual center of the page. If your text doesn't move, make sure your cursor is on the line of text you want to center, or highlight that text first, then repeat the same steps. You can now change the font, size, or style to make it stand out more. For example, you might increase the font size, make it bold, or choose a different font to create a proper cover page. All of these formatting changes will keep the text in the middle of the page. If you're working with multiple pages and only want one page to have centered text, it's usually best to place that centered text on its own page, with page breaks above and below, so the formatting doesn't affect the rest of your document. And that's all you need to put text in the middle of a page in Google Docs, using simple alignment tools built right into the editor.